Hello, and welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to change the default view in the Reddit app on your Android phone. Whether you prefer a more visual layout or a compact one for faster browsing, this video will walk you through the process quickly and clearly. First, open the Reddit app on your Android phone. Next, tap on your profile icon located in the top right corner of the screen. Then, from the menu, tap on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, scroll further until you reach the section labeled View Options. Tap on Default View. You'll now see two layout choices, Card and Compact. Card View gives you large previews and more spacing, which is great for visuals. Compact View lets you see more posts at once with less scrolling. Choose the view you prefer by tapping on it. The change will take effect immediately. And that's it. Changing your default view in Reddit is quick and simple. Don't forget to explore other settings for a more personalized experience. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.